Hi guys, I've got something very exciting to show you. We've been working a long time behind the scenes developing our new 9-cam bullet time system, and today's the day I can finally show it to you in a little bit more detail. So here we go. You can see the chassis is a full 3-part aluminium chassis. So that plate that we're showing you now, holding all of the cameras, comes away from the upstand, and the upstand comes away from the base plate in 3 separate parts. So it's really easy to get in and out of venues, and obviously it's easy to get into any vehicles that you've got. The system we've got here has got a full wrap on it. Yours will come plain black, so you can brand it any way you'd like, but we just wanted to show you how cool it looks with the wrap and how easy it is to brand. So we've left it really easy access if you need to be able to get to the cameras and adjust them in any way. So I'm just going to show you taking off this section. And because the chassis is aluminium, it's really light, so really easy to get off. So you can see now all the cameras are fully exposed, so if I need to do any adjustments, it's really simple to do. Just going to talk you through our trigger system in a little bit more detail. So the thing we use to trigger the cameras is our little handheld remote that you can see here. So this can trigger all of the cameras to shoot at exactly the same time, or we can do synchronous trigger mode. So that means all of the cameras will fire a few milliseconds apart, just to have a little bit of movement in the subject and create a different looking output. Gives you variation and allows you to offer different things to your clients. But the trigger system's really easy to use, just a simple press of a button and you're away with the system. All of the cameras will fire and the computer will process all of the images and sew them together into the finished bullet time GIF, which we then preview on this little screen on the upstand. Now we're going to do a quick demo just so you can see how fast the process is in terms of the cameras firing, everything getting processed, and then the finished GIF being ready for social sharing. So I've brought my beautiful model along, James. He's going to give us a little demonstration. Are you ready, James?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Nice. So it takes a few seconds for the computer to process all of the separate images, and then you can see straight away our GIF is ready for preview. And then if you come over to our iPad, the GIF is also ready straight away for social sharing. So I can have another preview, and I can select my sharing options. This one we've got set up just for email, but obviously you can set up whichever options you'd like. So now we're going to show you inside the upstand, and this is where we house all of the electronics which run the system. So you can see here on the left hand side we've got your IEC power, which is perfect for worldwide shipping. It means these can be used within any country. We've got your NUC PC, we've got all of the power for the cameras, and then we've got the most important part, which is the custom developed in-house trigger system. So you can see here we've actually only got 9 cameras plugged in because it's a 9-camera rig, but you can see there are ports for up to 15 cameras. So we future-proof the system so that if further down the line you wanted to add more cameras, then you absolutely can do. And there's one extra little port up here, and that is for a flash. So if you're doing synchronous outputs, you can have a flash instead of using constant lights. So that concludes our little summary video of the 9-cam bullet time. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, give me a shout.